Snow is falling soft and slow, streetlights glow on streets below. Tom takes Judith by the hand, through the hush across the land. Years have turned like pages white, still he sees that same first light in her eyes of winter blue. Every Christmas feels